everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the special Maltese food recipes in Heartopia, the Retriever Con Panna in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new collaborations with Maltese, and in here you can get or you can unlock new food recipes. One of them is Retriever Con Panna. Like this, it's so cute like this. And to get this recipe is very easy. First, just tap on the globe icon, this globe icon, tap on it, and then go to Puppy Gacha machine, this one, and then in here just enter the exchange store, tap the exchange store, and then scroll down, and then just tap Retriever Con Panna. And to get this recipe, you need 10 Maltese tokens. So make sure you already have enough Maltese tokens. And if you don't know how to get these tokens, just check the link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. And after you have these tokens, just go tap on purchase. Like this, just like that, you will get this new recipe of Retriever Con Panna. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!